Hi dear students, welcome to my YouTube channel. Study the following words for your speaking, writing, reading and listening skills and proficiency. The first one is alliance. Alliance means the action or state of being joined or associated. States seek to become stronger through alliance. We are working in alliance with our European partners. Its second meaning is a union or an association formed for mutual benefit, especially between countries or organizations. For example, enter into or break off an alliance with a neighboring state, the NATO alliance. Next is ambience. Ambience means the character and atmosphere of a place. We have tried to create the ambience of a French bistro. An airport hotel has an ambience all of its own. Next is ambient. Ambient means especially of air on all sides surrounding. The ambient temperature conditions. Thank you very much for watching my video.